Is this your first time using Messenger on an Android phone? Well, here's how to download and install it even without the Facebook app. So first, make sure you are connected to the internet, Wi-Fi, or cellular. Now, on your Android phone, you're gonna just go ahead, find out Play Store, and then open it up and then search for Messenger. And then just tap on this install button. You're gonna just wait a moment while the app keeps downloading onto your Android device. After the download is completed, you can just open the app from here or from your home screen or app drawer. Just find out Messenger and enter the app. Now, if you do not have any Facebook app, you have to create it first, which you can do it right from here. If you have an existing Facebook account, you gotta put down your login email or phone number and then carefully put down the password and then hit the login button. If you get any verification prompt, you gotta just verify yourself. That's all. And then allow some necessary permission. And if prompted, you can save this account to make your future sign-ins easier. And that's it. You'll be logged into your Messenger account in no time, and you can keep using it even without your Facebook app. And that's all. Thanks for watching.